So we're going to be installing the flywheel, as you can see, and now we're going to put the clutch. This is the flywheel. This is the actual clutch. Push plate down here. I'm going to make sure that this part right here is on the outside, and this is on the inside. We want no lubrication at all. We're going to use our little guide stud right here. Make sure that we're all lined up. And put it straight in. It's supposed to go right there. Going to put some blue thread lock on the bolts. Just a little drop each. We're going to put this plate in here. It's supposed to be like this. Like that. This. One bolt started. We're going to get the other bolt. Right here. Right there. This is where the other bolt's going to go. Once we do this, we have to make sure the plate is up against the flywheel. And as we go, and we take the bolts up. And that's about it. We put the other bolts around. And we gotta keep checking our little guide tool here to make sure it's all lined up. We put our clutch in there the way it's supposed to be. We covered everything here, and then the bell housing will be on the outside, protecting all this. We just gotta make sure everything is lined up right, everything is tight to specs. I gotta use my torque wrench right here to get it all nice and tight, and we'll see you again in the next video.